Let's be really clear about something. Scammers are professionals. Seriously, they use these sophisticated psychological tricks and massive networks to manipulate people. And you know what? They are winning. But here's the good news. There is one free, federally regulated action you can take right now that can stop them dead in their tracks. Let's dig into what that is. $1.6 billion. I mean, just let that number sink in. That's how much money older Americans lost to financial scams in just 1 year. The sheer scale of this is staggering. And look, these aren't just numbers on a screen. They represent retirements that have been completely shattered and some really profound emotional pain. This isn't some small-time problem. It is an industrial-scale attack on our financial security. So, when you're facing a threat that big, what is the single most powerful defense you have? Well, the answer is actually surprisingly simple. It costs absolutely nothing, and it puts a kind of digital lock on your identity that most scammers just can't get past. So stick with me, because this is the information that's going to turn you from a potential target into an absolute fortress. Okay, so to really understand the solution, we have to respect the problem. This isn't about someone being naive or, gullible. We've got to remember that scammers are incredibly skilled manipulators. They build these elaborate systems that seem totally legit, and they often use little details about our own lives against us. Now, this slide right here, it completely shatters a really dangerous myth. The idea that it's only the very elderly who are at risk? Not true. The data clearly shows that the group losing the most money, we're talking over $836 million in 1 year, are people between 60 and 69. Think about that. These are people who are often still working, they're comfortable with technology, and they absolutely believe they're too smart to fall for a scam. This proves a critical point. Vulnerability has nothing to do with age or intelligence. It has everything to do with just being human. And while the financial loss is, of course, devastating, it's often just the tip of the iceberg. The psychological cost creates this ripple effect of trauma that can last for months, sometimes even years. It goes way beyond just a bank account. Let's actually take a look at what that recovery timeline looks like. This timeline shows you the long, hard road that victims face. I mean, it starts with shame and fear, but it evolves. Months down the line, that can turn into this deep-seated anxiety, depression, and a lack of trust that can really poison relationships. We are not just talking about having a bad day. We're talking about a year or even more of serious emotional turmoil. And this is exactly why. That stigma leads to shame. Victims so often blame themselves, right? They ask, how could I have been so stupid? How could I have fallen for that? And that shame prevents them from reaching out for help, which only makes the trauma deeper. Let me be clear. The blame belongs with the criminal, never with the survivor. Period. Okay, we have established the threat. It's real and it's serious. Now let's talk about the solution. It's powerful, it's immediate, and like I said, it is 100% free. We are talking about the credit freeze. So what is it exactly? Well, a credit freeze, sometimes called a security freeze, is basically the off switch for new credit. When you flip that switch, lenders cannot access your credit file to approve a new account. So if a scammer can't open a new credit card or get a loan in your name, guess what? Their power is gone. You are in control. Now, this is really important because it's super easy to confuse a credit freeze with a credit lock. A lock is a product that companies try to sell you, usually as part of a paid subscription service. A freeze, on the other hand, is your right, and it's guaranteed by federal law. That means it is always free to place, to lift, and to remove. It also comes with specific legal protections, so remember this. You do not need to pay a dime for this core protection. So let's just recap the benefits real quick. First, it costs nothing. Zero. It has absolutely no impact on your existing credit score. It goes into effect almost instantly when you do it online or over the phone. And, most importantly, it puts the control of your identity right back where it belongs, with you. Okay, this is the most important part of this whole explainer, turning this knowledge into action. This is your immediate homework, and trust me, it is so much easier than you think. Now, to be fully protected, you have to place a freeze with each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Doing just one isn't enough. You have to do all 3. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Think of it like putting 3 separate heavy-duty locks on your financial front door. And look how simple it is. You can just go to each bureau's website or give them a call. The entire process for all three can seriously take you less than 15 minutes. And then down the road, if you need to apply for new credit, like a car loan or a mortgage, you just go back and temporarily lift the freeze for a little while. It's that easy. All right, so once you've secured your own credit, you can actually become a guardian for other people. This knowledge isn't just for you. It's a tool you can use to protect your parents, your spouse, and even your kids from identity theft. Federal law gives you the power to act as a guardian here. You can place something called a protected consumer freeze on the credit files of your children under 16 and for any incapacitated adults if you have power of attorney. This is a special kind of freeze designed specifically to protect the people who can't protect themselves. Some bureaus even make it pretty easy for spouses to manage freezes for each other. This is how you extend that shield of protection around your entire family. So there it is. The single most powerful action you can take is a credit freeze. It's free, it's fast, and it puts you back in command. Now I want to turn it over to you because we can all learn from each other. What is the best piece of financial safety advice you have ever gotten? Share it down in the comments to help us build a master list of tips that can protect everybody. Don't just watch, participate. Let's help protect our whole community.